everybody? It's your boy Sam, man. Let's go ahead and get the video all charged up. As y'all can see, y'all already see it. So now that we got the video all charged up, as y'all can see, man, the bread is in there. The bread is in there, bro. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get the channel started. What's going on, Orange? It's your boy Sam, man, back with another amazing. Let's go ahead and get this thing started, man. Let's see the thumbnail. This is what we have today. We have shadow lights. We have shadow lights today, man. You know what I'm saying? Sam, what is shadow lights? Well, if your whole on limit tell you. You know what I'm saying? Shadow lights is something that we're going to install in our door today. I only bought 2 because I didn't know how they was going to look. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to buy all 4 and you beating around the bush and they don't look good and I'd be like, I done lost out and all that kind of stuff like that. I ain't having that. You know what I'm saying? So I bought the first 2 for the passenger door and the driver door. You know what I'm saying? So I want to see if the shadow lights are going to look good on Orange Crush. We about to do this, man. I'm talking about when we open the doors, we need the ground to be glowing. You know what I'm saying? No matter where we at. You know what I'm saying? 2021, I'm trying to hit a car show now. I'm trying to tell you now, I'm trying to hit a car show. You know what I'm saying? Hey, as y'all can see, I got the light on me, man. You know what I'm saying? Because we all know that it get dark around 1:30. Sorry, it ain't 1:30, but it feel like it. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? It get dark super early now, so, you know. Hey, yo, I want to thank everybody for giving me over 3,000 views, bro, on that last video. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all cranked it up for your boy. You know what I'm saying? We over like 125 likes. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Boy, let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and get this thing started, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's put the shadow lights on this thing. Let's put the shadow lights on it. All right, so let's get down here, man. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out that light right there. We're gonna replace it. So, all right, let's take this out the box. Set y'all up real quick, man. You know what I'm saying? Set y'all up real quick with your boy. Set y'all up real quick. All right. All right, it comes in a package like this. Let's go ahead. We're gonna take out the one that's in the door right now. Let's take out that one. That was easy. That was easy. I want y'all in there. I want y'all to see what's going on right now. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we're gonna take this out right here. Oh, there it is. There it is, people. You know what I'm saying? Let's get, oh, it's marked. I didn't even know it was marked. I didn't even know it was marked. Look at this. See if y'all can see that today. Right, left. Cool beans, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Let's get this installed done, man. All right, that's the right there. So this is the left. Come on out this bag now. You act like you don't get installed. You better come on. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. This is how it look, people. This is how it look. Look at that right now. Boom. You know what I'm saying? The factory ones look like this. Boom. Oh, shucks. What that UPS? I might got another package coming in here. I might got another package. That UPS. All right. Anyways, let's go ahead and install this one. Oh, that's the one I want right there. Okay. Booyah. Booyah. Sit right there, man. That's all you can do. You know what I'm saying? That's it right there. That's it. We got number 1 installed, people. Number 1 is installed. All right, let's go. Let's go on down to the next door right now. Let's go to the next door. You know what I'm saying? Let's go to the next door. Take our trusty screwdriver with us. Hold on real quick. We got the UPS man here. Come for me? Oh, you dirty thing. He ain't even come for me. That nigga tricked me. He come in the yard and turn around. What's wrong with him? Boy, UPS man, don't you never do that again. You never do that again. Matter of fact, you know what UPS stand for? undecided popular situation. Don't worry about that. I just talked to myself. Okay, we at the second door right now, man. We at the second door. Let's go ahead and let's get this done. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this done. Let me see if I can set y'all. Let me mount y'all up. All right, booyah. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Get this one out. Get it. You gotta push down on this white tab and then pull out. Bingo. You know what I'm saying? That's how you get it. That's how you handle business. And then you just go push right back in. Plug and play, baby. Plug and play. Oh, snap. That's what I'm talking about, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's daytime. You really can't see it right now, but I can guarantee you, bro, this thing will look excellent. You know what I'm saying? Woo, snap right on in there, too. Snap right on in there. That's big. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. So, all right, it's done, man. It's done. It's done. It's done. All we got to do is just wait for nighttime now. Oh, who that is? I throw the hand up, you know what I'm saying? Everybody know Orange Crush. You know what I'm saying? So, all we got to do is wait for nighttime right now. Or, who knows, we might not wait. Maybe we can run the day into the night. That sounds like a song in it. We can run the day into the night. Holla at your boy if you want to buy that song real quick. Run the day into the night. I'm about to get that invented. Matter of fact, let's try that for real. Let's try to run the day into the night. Let's get it. All right, let's go. Shut the door. Let's try something. Let's try it, man. Who knows? We might pull some Back to the Future stuff. You know what I'm saying? If we can build up enough speed to get the electricity going, bro. We just trying to turn the day into the night. All right, you guys ready for this, man? You guys ready for this? All right, we're gonna try to run so fast, man. Tell you know what I'm saying? We're gonna run the day into the night. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ready, man? That's one thing about me, I never play fair. Let's get it. We did it. We did it, man. Listen, we just ran the day into the night. I don't know if y'all can see me, but we just ran the day into the night. See if y'all can see me. Listen, it is now nighttime. We just ran the day into the night. We good. You know what I'm saying? Let's crank up. Let's crank up Orange Crush and let's see how this light slide. Let's get it. Talk to me, man. Hey, listen. Hey, what y'all think about the Scat Pack light on the doors? Come on, man. I think they look nice. I think they look nice. They nice color. You know what I'm saying? Nice and vibrant. You know what I'm saying? I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and order 2 more for my back doors, and we should be lit. Hey, man. Oh, y'all see that bread in there? Oh my God. gosh. Well, that joint look nice. Come on now. Ain't nobody hooking it up like that. You know what I'm saying? Look at that thing. But that thing look like, come on, man. That B symbol looks so good on the ground when I open them doors. Oh, man, that's what I need. I cannot wait to represent this at the goddamn car meets, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because sometime before I get out the car, there's people already standing around the car. So when I open that door, pow! And they see that Scat Pack be on the ground. Oh, even if you don't see it, I don't care if I gotta hold my door open until you see it. You gonna see that B. I can tell you that right now. I'll stomp on it. I'll get my shoe and stomp on it. I'll make you look down there. Oh man, yo, listen, man. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man, because I enjoyed it myself. You know what I'm saying? So this is the outro, man. You know what I'm saying? Car shows, we feeling them. Trophies, we stealing them. Hey!